The mClient application is designed for customers of security agencies using Alice software. The app allows, among other things, to check the current position of an account on a map, view video from RTSP cameras, cancel an alarm, review signal history, check the status of counters, contact the operator, and evaluate the quality of services provided. It is accessible for iOS and Android system. In the first block of our tutorial, we will show you logging options in your mClient mobile application. Once an administrator has configured the mClient app with the Alice software, you can proceed to log in securely. Open the mClient app on your device and enter your login credentials, including your username and password as they have been assigned in the Alice software. Additionally, for enhanced security and convenience, you can also set up biometric login options, such as a fingerprint scan or facial recognition for the app. The availability of these options depends on the type of your mobile device and your personal preferences. Also, it's possible to quickly set up the app using a QR code. The mClient app also can get colors, logos, and personalization from the monitoring center. In the second block of our tutorial, we will show you the general options that are available in the mClient mobile app. The app's bottom menu conceals further advanced features to help manage accounts and respond to events. The first of these is the Map view, which allows you to intuitively see all assigned accounts in geographical space. Each account is labeled on the map, making it possible to quickly locate a given place and check its current status. The central element of the bottom bar is the bell icon, which indicates the number of currently active alarms. When selected, it displays a list of all pending alarms, sorted and ready for immediate response. What's more, the ability to generate a new alarm is also available from this level, without the need to contact the operator panel by phone or log in. An alarm cancellation function is also available for selected users. This is done in a secure manner. Proof of identity is required by entering an individual password. This is an additional security measure that eliminates the risk of accidental or unauthorized action. The entire process, from overview on the map to alarm management to alarm generation and cancellation, takes place in one place, in a single application. Once logged in, the user is taken to the application's main panel. The header shows the person's name. It is a clear sign that the system is in personal mode, showing only the data assigned to a particular person. Just below the header is a list of the accounts to which the user is assigned. Each account displays the current security status in the form of a bell icon. If everything is fine, the user will see a gray bell. If something is going wrong, alarm in on the account, the app will clearly highlight the bell in red color. This way, it is clear where it is worth paying particular attention, right away without searching. From the main screen, there are also options for contacting the security agency. The user can make a phone call directly from the app, using a phone icon, or use the messaging icon to send a text through the built-in system. The system also allows feedback from the data edit console directly to the mobile application. Communication between the user and the agency is smooth, fast, and fully digital. The menu also includes links to the agency's official website and to its profile on the Facebook platform. They are seen as Internet and Facebook icon. This makes it easy to access additional information, offers and contact channels, whatever the situation. Everything at hand in one place. When entering any account in the left corner of the screen, the user is given access to a range of detailed information and functions that allow full control and insight into the status of the monitored site. The main account panel includes access to account data, signals and events, locations, cameras, multimedia, signal groups, commands, reports, and service documents. Account data provides site type, address, location description, and associated contacts. Mobile numbers in the system enable direct calls. Priority numbers are shown. Signals and events display system activity from the last 24 hours. Filters narrow data by period and event type. Location shows the account's current spot if GPS is active with historical data available. Cameras list RTSP protocol devices for live viewing in the app. Multimedia covers photos, videos, and audio by time and camera with play and download options. Signal groups present data by subject, showing the last signal and value, and allow remote actions. Commands enable remote actions with activation time and status displayed. Reports track account document history. Each has a name, type, and generation time with a 3-day rating option. Double tap to view or download. Select a star icon to rate the report properly from 1 to 5. Service documents include installation and maintenance details. You can view or download them, and also rate or change the rating within 3 days after closing. Every feature is crafted for ease, quick access, and complete control over information, making account security as easy as browsing the news. Now, in the third block of our tutorial, we will show how notifications look like in mClient app. In a fast-paced world, timely information is crucial. The mClient app ensures no important event is missed. It sends push notifications to your smartphone screen instantly, anytime and anywhere. You'll be alerted about alarms, account changes, and actions needing your response. In the fourth part of our tutorial, we will guide you on changing your password. Security starts with access. That's why the mClient app allows you to change your password quickly and securely. Without having to log into additional systems or contact staff. The process has been designed with simplicity and full control in mind. All you have to do is enter your current password in the data settings, write a new one, and confirm that it is correct. A few moments, and your login details are updated. Once the change is confirmed, the application automatically logs the user out. From then on, access to the system is only possible using the new password. Simple, fast, and in line with the best security standards. In the fifth block of our tutorial, we will highlight the main features in the practical examples. In conclusion, the mClient application offers the user a number of practical functions accessible directly from the interface. One of them is the ability to cancel an alarm, just by going to the Alarm List tab, selecting the appropriate alarm, and then confirming the operation with a password. If an alarm is accidentally generated on the wrong object, the system allows you to undo it within 3 seconds. Additionally, the user can also independently generate an alarm on a selected account. Moreover, in the Cameras tab, a live view of the RTSP cameras is available, allowing the user to quickly check the situation on the account. What's more, in the Commands tab, the user has the ability to execute remote commands, both for Next and other devices, such as AI Box. For example, from here, user can start opening the gate with one click. Fantastic! That is all for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please discover other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel and remember to subscribe.